Okay, now we are going to learn about how to create an object of a class. So this class contain only the main method. So here I am going to create another method inside this class, public void display. Okay, here also I am going to print out a message using system.out.println hello from display method. Okay, now this class contains two methods, the main method and another method called the display method. Okay, so change this message into hello from main method. Okay, so I save the program and compile the program. Now there is no error. I run the program. Now we got the output. So this is the message from the main method. So we can access the main method using JVM. That's why we pass the class name to JVM. So JVM can access the main method, but there is no access to the display method. So display is another method present inside this class. So in Java, if you want to access a method or variable inside a class, you have to create an object of that particular class. So if you want to access the display method, you have to create an object of this class. So here I am going to create an object of this class. For creating an object, first you have to specify the class name. So here the class name is my first class. Second, you have to provide a valid identifier as object name. So here I type it as obj. So obj is the object identifier name or object name, and put the equal operator, assignment operator. Now you have to use a keyword called new. This is the keyword used in Java to create an object. After this keyword, you have to specify the class name again. So here the class name is my first class, and put some function bracket and end the statement using a semicolon. So this statement represent an object creation of this class. Okay, so now we have an object of this class called obj. Now we can access the display method or any method inside this class using this object. So for accessing this method, first you have to specify the object name. Here the object name is obj. Now you have to specify the method name. So here the method name is display, and specify the function bracket. Now I save the program, compile the program again. Now run the program. Now we got the output from the display method. So the first message is from main method and second message is from the display method. Okay, so this is the statements that is used to call the display method. First we create an object of this class, and by using that object we call the method. Okay, so instead of using this statement, here I am going to make another one, new my first class. This is also valid. So here I avoid the identifier, that means the object name. This is also a valid object creation. If you using the new keyword and specify the class name with the function bracket, that corresponding to an object creation. So this is a valid statement. This is an object, and by using that object we call the display method. But here we are not using any identifier. That is the only difference. So I save the program again. Now compile the program, Java C. Now here there is no error because this is also a valid statement. Now we can run the application. we got the correct output. This is how we create an object of a class. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.